Hey, this is Nick from Notch Audio LLC. I've got an OM-84 here that I repaired. Came in with no sound. Power on, get the light, get some humming, that was about it. And taking it apart, solder joints had already been reflowed. I know people like to do that. Although several joints were missed, other areas of the board. One benefit of this service that I provide is that you get every solder joint on your board inspected with a microscope and corrected as needed. These things, they're reaching 30 years plus old. They're moved around a lot. A lot of these are getting shipped around on eBay. There's a lot of transport issues with these solder joints, stuff moving around. I do something other than reflow it, and this one is working, and it's going back to its customer. This is the repair demo video for Kathryn.